OnePlus 13S is latest compact flagship product of OnePlus. It's a bold step forward in design, performance and camera technology, all packed into a form factor that actually fits in your hand. Design: the OnePlus 13S is sleek and compact, available in morning mist grey, cloud ink black, and an elegant blush pink. This device uses premium Vibes display. It comes with 6.3-inch AMOLED panel with a 1 to 120 Hz adaptive refresh rate, 1.5K resolution, and peak brightness of up to 2800 nits. HDR10+ stunning contrast, vibrant colors, it's all here. The OnePlus 13S is powered by the brand new Qualcomm Snapdragon 8th generation for elite chipset, a beast when it comes to performance. Built on a cutting-edge 3nm process, this chip brings massive gains in efficiency and heat management, performance coupled with up to 16 GB of RAM and 512 GB of UES 4.0 storage. Software is Oxygen OS 15 based on Android 15. It's fast, fluid, and bloat-free. One new addition is the new shortcut key, replacing the classic alert slider. Assign it to open the camera, flashlight, or even a specific app. Security-wise, the under-display fingerprint scanner is blazing fast. Camera: a dual 50-megapixel camera setup on the back and a 2x optical telephoto lens. Photos are rich in detail, contrasty, and color accurate. Dynamic range has significantly improved. HDR algorithm, which merges multiple exposures in real time. Low light performance is excellent, with night mode producing balanced results without aggressive noise reduction. The telephoto lens is no gimmick either. It delivers sharp, usable zoom with great subject separation, and the 32-megapixel selfie shooter crisp, wide, and natural-looking video recording goes up to 8000 battery. Despite its smaller size, the OnePlus 13S packs a massive 6000 mAh battery with 100-watt wired SuperVOOC charging. There's also 50-watt wireless charging features, IP68 water and dust resistance, dual stereo speakers, loud, clear, and Dolby Atmos certified for immersive audio. Advanced haptics, typing in gestures feel incredibly satisfying. Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 5.4, connectivity for seamless pairing, and blazing fast downloads, NFC support for mobile payments, and quick pairing. It also supports ASMDOL, 5G, and comes with the OnePlus Trinity engine, and AI-based optimization suite that manages RAM, CPU, and battery intelligently. OnePlus has finally struck a balance between form and function, and the result is a pocket-friendly flagship that delivers big on all fronts.